Alright, so I'm going to get ready to put the sealing wax, Valspar Sealing Wax, on our mantle. And I'm just going to use a cheap brush because it fits in the can. I have a real nice brush, but it's too big. So what I want to do, put it on pretty quick so I can move fast so it doesn't dry on me. And I just want to, this stuff's kind of expensive. I think this can right here is like $12. So I just want to make sure that I brush it out as thin as I can so I'm not wasting it. Okay, and I always end up with long strokes. And then I'm going to rub it off. All the excess, not real hard, just wipe off the excess with this t-shirt. Okay, move down. And it goes on white, but for the most part it's clear. It is going to dry clear. This is the bottom side of the mantle. I always try to start on an inconspicuous place or a small place, right? So I can practice, make sure I'm not gonna get anything really ugly when I do the important part, the top and the front. And then just wipe off the excess is what the can says. Okay, and this is what we're gonna, the way we're gonna leave it. It leaves a satin finish when we're done. And we think it brings out the grays and the browns and the reds in it. So let me get this finished up. I'll get back to you.